Okay guys, let's make some sweet potato chips. So start with your sweet potato, and if you're using a mandolin, you want to cut it into sections to make it easier to work with. Peel those sections, and then you're going to place it on your mandolin. You want to slice it to whatever thickness or thinness you desire. The thinner they are, the crispier they are. You're going to want to coat them with a healthy fat or healthy oil, and that'll be some extra virgin olive oil. And then coat it nice and well. Make sure it's fully coated on both sides. Add your seasoning of choice. Mine was Himalayan salt, sea salt. Pull out your air fryer and then lay them on a single layer in your air fryer. You want to set the air fryer for about 375 degrees, and you're going to want to cook them for about maybe 5 or 6 minutes. I would recommend, halfway through, just flipping them over, checking them, making sure they're not burning, because you just want to keep an eye on it. As you get closer to that 5-minute mark, check it, and if you need to cook it a little bit longer, then go ahead and put it on for maybe another minute or so, and just check it after every minute. You got to be careful with these because they can burn kind of quickly. So just keep an eye on it anytime after like 4 or 5 minutes. So as you can see, a few of the edges were brown there, but they were still delicious, you guys. So if you decide to try it, be sure to let me know. Enjoy.